everything. It's everything. It's everything. What it's meant to be will be.
Hey everyone, what's up? Mona B here. So really quick before we get into the tutorial, I do want to talk about the product that I used in the video. I used the True by Made Beautiful Hydrating Hair Butter. It has shea honey, coconut, and mango in it. It smells amazing. I love the smell. I've had this product for a while and I just haven't gotten around to using it. Actually, I like it a lot, considering the fact that I didn't do this style on freshly washed hair, and most of the time when I do like flexi rods or rod sets, I like to do them on freshly washed hair. My hair was a bit old. It was in a previous twist style. So yeah, I did use this product kind of like on other products that were already in my hair. My hair didn't have a lot of products, just like olive oil and things. But it is time for me to go ahead and wash my hair. But that's neither here nor there. But this product actually worked really good, considering the fact my hair wasn't the cleanest. So I can only imagine how this product will work on clean hair. I do really like this product and you guys will definitely see me using it again. It did give me definition because my hair isn't the easiest to define. That's why I don't really get too caught up on definition within my hair. You guys know that. But I am really impressed by the True by Made Beautiful Hydrating Hair Butter. Check it out if you're interested. Let me know in the comments if you guys have used this product before. Let me know. I know they do have other products within the line. So I know you guys are just ready to see the tutorial. So let's go ahead and get right into it.
So this is what my hair is looking like. I'm starting out on old hair. It is almost time for me to wash my hair, but I'm going to stretch it out a bit longer. So I'm going to use a Made Beautiful Hydrating Hair Butter like I showed you guys previously. And basically I'm just using my wide tooth comb. I'm just detangling the section. Then I'm just going to apply a 2-strand twist there. As you guys can see, I already did majority of my hair off camera. And then once I'm finished doing that, I'm going to take the purple flexi rods and I'm going to add 3 twists onto one flexi rod. And it doesn't matter which way you roll your twist onto the flexi rod, and you guys will see why later. But I tend to get really good results with the purple flexi rods. That's why I use them. But just use whichever flexi rods works best for your hair. This is a really good style if you're trying to stretch out your wash day and you don't really want to wash your hair just yet. This is like the perfect hairstyle. And this is what my hair looked like when I was all finished using the flexi rods. And then I'm just going to apply my bonnet and go to bed. Now you can do this style within one day. You could just sit under the dryer. It is the next day and I already took the flexi rods out. This is what my hair is looking like. So you can see it definitely has some definition. It's pretty curly. So I'm just going to coat my fingers with some olive oil, not too much. And then I'm just going to go ahead and separate the twist. And then this is what my hair was looking like once I separated them. So now that they're separated, I'm just going to take my pick and I'm going to fluff my roots up a whole lot because remember we are doing a side puff. So I'm just going to fluff the roots as much as possible. Once I'm done doing that, I'm going to apply some Eco Styler gel to the perimeter of my hair. This is optional. You do not have to apply gel. If you're curious about my band, I will put the link to the video in the description box below where I show you guys how I make it. And then I just go ahead and brush my perimeter of my hair going to the side. And then I already put the band around my neck, so I'm just going to place it at my hairline. And then I'm just going to smooth it upward using my hands. We are trying to achieve a slight side puff, so that's what we're doing right here. So I'm just smoothing it with my hands as you guys can see. Once I'm done doing that, I am going to use the Even 24-Hour Edge Control, and I'm just going to put that around my hairline just to make sure that my edges stay smooth and slick all day. And as you can see, they're really slick. And then I'm just going to put on my scarf for about 10 to 15 minutes to make sure that they lay down how I want them to. This style is really good if you're close to your wash day and you really don't want to wash your hair just yet and you need a quick style. This is like my go-to when it comes to that. Once I remove the scarf, I'm going to take my pick and pick my puff. Y'all know I'm big on picking a puff. Really impressed with how the curls came out. My hair was super hydrated from using the Made Beautiful Hydrating Hair Butter. It works really good, guys, and my hair wasn't hard or crunchy. It was nice and soft, and I really like that. Here's the hairstyle from all angles. I really like it. It is definitely my go-to when it's almost wash day. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all on my next one. Bye.